जय माँ भारती। समाचार अकल ब्रह्मांड की, भूत भविष्य वर्तमान की। आई हार्टली वेलकम you to the PMS समाचार चैनल from the international world. Israel is a country in Western Asia located on the southeastern shore of the Mediterranean Sea and the northern shore of the Red Sea. It has borders with Lebanon to the north, Syria to the northeast, Jordan to the east, and the Palestinian territories of the West Bank and Gaza Strip. The country contains geographically diverse features within its relatively small area. Israel's economic and technological center is Tel Aviv, while its seat of government and proclaimed capital is Jerusalem. China-Israel relations are the diplomatic, economic, cultural, military ties between the peoples of Republic of China and State of Israel. India-Israel relations refers to the bilateral ties between the Republic of India and the State of Israel. The two countries have an extensive economic, military, and strategic relationship. 75 March of India's mighty army in Moscow, Russia. India's Defense Minister Rajnath Singh reached Moscow in Russia's Victory Day. India deployed Visma tank in Ladakh. India completed preparation to teach China a lesson. Sacraments. Hearing in Supreme Court only examination CBSE will tell its decision. Environment. The Sarda River, also called Kali River and Mahakali River, originates at Kalapani in the Himalayas at an elevation of 3,600 meters in the Pithoragarh district in Uttarakhand, India. It flows along Nepal's western border with India and has a basin area of 40,871 km square. It joins Ghangra River, a tributary of the Ganga. Invention. In modern language, a missile, also known as a guided missile, is a guided missile airborne ranged weapon capable of self-propelled fight, usually by a jet engine or rocket motor. Missiles have four system components: targeting system, guidance system, flight system, engine, and warhead. The first missiles to be used operationally were a series of missiles developed by Nazi Germany Second World War. Homi Jahangir Bhabha was born on 30 October 1909. He was an Indian nuclear physicist, founding director and professor of physics at the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, colloquially known as father of the Indian nuclear program. Bhabha was also the founding director of the Atomic Energy Establishment, Trombay, which is now named the Bhabha Atomic Research Center in his honor. State. Punjab, a state bordering Pakistan, is the heart of India's Sikh community. The city of Amritsar, founded in the 1570s by Sikh Guru Ram Das, is the site of Har Mandir Sahib, the holiest Gurudwara, known in English as the Golden Temple, and surrounded by the Pool of Nectar. It's a major pilgrim site. Also in Amritsar is Durganya Temple, a Hindu shrine framed for engraved silver doors. Crops. Flattened rice is rice which is flattened into flat, light dry flakes originating from the Indian subcontinent. Rice is parboiled before flattening so that it can be consumed with very little to no cooking. The thickness of the flakes varies between almost transparently thin to nearly 4 times thinner than a normal rice grain. It is also called beaten rice. Fruits. Prunus armensiasa is the most commonly cultivated apricot species, also called Anshu apricot, Siberian apricot, Tibetan apricot, is a species of Prunus classified with the plum in subgenus Prunus. The native range is somewhat uncertain due to its extensive prehistoric cultivation, though almost certainly somewhere in Asia it is extensively cultivated in many countries and has escaped into the wild in many places. Flowers. Aloe vera is a succulent plant species of the genus Aloe, an evergreen perennial. It originates from the Arabian Peninsula but grows wild in tropical, semi-tropical and arid climates around the world. It is cultivated for agricultural and medicinal uses. The species is also used for decorative purposes and grows successfully indoors as a potted plant. Yoga. Mayurasana or peacock pose is a hand balancing asana in Hatha yoga and modern yoga as exercise with the body held horizontal over the hands. It stimulates the lungs and help in proper functions. It tones up the digestive organ. Universe. The Hindu Kush is an 800-kilometer long mountain range that stretches through Afghanistan from its center to northern Pakistan and into Tajikistan. It forms the western section of Hindu Kush Himalayan region and is the westernmost extension of the Pamir Mountains, the Karakoram and the Himalayas. Maths. An economy is an area of the production, distribution and trade as well as consumption of goods and services by different agents. Understood in its broadcast sense, the economy is defined as a social domain that emphasizes the practices, discourages and material expressions associated with the production, use and management of resources. A given economy is the result of a set processes that involves its culture, values, education, technological evolution, history, social organization, political structure and legal system, as well as its geography, natural source development and ecology as main factors. Ayurveda. Cyprus scaraceus, commonly known as cyprul or nutgrass, is a plant of the family Cypressea. It is a perennial herbaceous riverbed plant native to India's Madhya Pradesh state. It is one of the most invasive weeds known, having spread out to a worldwide distribution in tropical and temperate regions. From Prima Lok Mission School. Since when and till now China was cheated, India's children are studying on it. City town. Makkah is a desert valley in western Saudi Arabia. It's Islam's holiest city as it's the birthplace of the Prophet Muhammad and the faith itself. Only Muslims are allowed in this city, with millions arriving for the annual Hajj. Dating from the 7th century, the central Masjid al-Haram surrounds the Kaaba, the cloth-covered cube structures that Islam's most sacred shrine. Today's event. 5024, the Franks are defeated by the Burgundians in the Battle of Venanjora. Spanish forces fell to retake Jamaica at the Battle of Rio Negro during the Anglo-Spanish War. And Global Beatles Day. Weather forecasters said that heavy rain will come in Bihar and its neighbors. Today's temperature in Patna 28 degrees Celsius and in Delhi 32 degrees Celsius. The Bihar Legislative Assembly, also known as the Bihar Vidhan Sabha, is the lower house of the bicameral legislatures of the Indian state of Bihar. Now start the pronunciation of some words. Poem. Everybody said poem. It's just poem. epitome. It's just epitome, not epitome. Today's food, that's all. I take for tomorrow. Live, stay healthy, be happy. माँ भारती की जय.
ॐ द्यौः शान्तिरन्तरिक्ष ॐ शान्तिः पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवा शान्ति ब्रह्म शान्तिः सर्वगुण शान्ति शान्तिरेव शान्तिः सामा शान्तिरेधि ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः